The other day, I was walking around my parents' garden. Looking at the plants, I couldn't help but wonder. Unlike these plants, why do we humans doubt the process of growth so much? We look at others just like us and conclude that we're not good enough. What if I tell you that your growth is different from that of the others? The way you absorb knowledge or train your skills, or the way you perform is different from that of others, and that it's okay. Why do we all run just because others are running? We're so blinded by what others do that we forget what we are meant to do. We often worship our friends, classmates, or colleagues who are standing tall and bright, who has everyone's attention on them, and compare our slow growth to theirs. Sometimes it happens that you belong to a family where your brothers and sisters have achieved so much, and you feel useless compared to that. You feel like you're a disappointment to the family. Sometimes you feel ashamed knowing that you need more support emotionally and physically to grow, while others don't. Sometimes it may also be that you study, you work really hard, and you get the job just like the others, but still nobody notices you. And sadly, in this process of pushing your own growth, you might push yourself to an extent where you burn out completely and you just want to give up altogether. There's a very famous quote by Einstein that says, "If you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it'll live its whole life believing that it's stupid." Similarly, what if I tell you that your way of growing is different from that of others, and that's how it's supposed to be? You are different, and hence your growth is different. It's something that can't be compared. What if I told you that no, you will not become a bright and pretty flower because your purpose is not to be a bright and pretty flower, but instead to grow all your leaves out and become a source of help to mankind? What if I told you that yes, you are going to need support because with that support you will grow and diversify so much more than you ever imagined? Your purpose was to grow and expand and spread your magic around. So what if you get a little help? You were never meant to sit in a pot in the first place. Maybe you did get that job just like everyone else. But what if your purpose is not to be just another employee? What if your purpose is to be different? To make a difference, to bring a smile and be useful to others? What if I tell you that in due course of time, you'll spread your fragrance wherever you go? Your growth may be slow, might take so much more time than others, but when you succeed, you'll be shocked at what once you doubted. For some, their growth to success may be fast. For others, it may take time. But at the end of the day, success is success. You may be from the same family, but your journeys might be poles apart, and that's okay. Why compare your journey with others when you both are two different seeds? Two different seeds that will grow into two different plants. Your garden of friends or classmates is not what you need to outgrow. You need to outgrow yourself so that you can stand tall in the garden of this world. Trust me, there is no race. This is your track. You can walk, you can run, or you can fly at your own pace. There is no competition. After all, if you think it's stupid to compare the growth of a flowering plant to that of an aloe vera plant, then isn't it stupid that you compare your own growth to that of the others?